Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a headlight bulb replacement on a Honda Ridgeline. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. This headlight bulb replacement will be applicable for any Honda Ridgeline between 2006 and 2014. So let's get started. So we are going to be doing our replacement with the Sylvania Ultra. The Honda Ridgeline takes a 9003. So this should essentially be a toolless job. All you're going to need is your replacement bulbs and a little bit of know-how. So first thing we're going to do is we're actually going to come in behind here, and you will see that there is a plug and a rubber boot around that housing. So super straightforward here. We are going to pull directly back on the wiring harness, and this rubber boot and these tabs may need a little bit of a wiggle, but it is just friction fitted in there and it pulls right off. We'll set that out of the way so it stays clean. And the next thing I'm going to show you here is this quick clip. We're going to push in and up, and that clip is going to swing out of the way like this. That's holding our bulb in place. Okay, so remember the orientation of the bulb, and we will get the new bulb and swap it out. The one single tab here faces up. We're going to put that in and put everything back together. And be sure not to touch any part of the glass around the bulb. That's where oily, dirty, anything contaminating on there is going to affect the life of the bulb. So very carefully, we're going to fit this back in place. We're bringing our wire snap back down. We're going to push in and down. Make sure that is seated firmly in there. We're not putting this on yet. Make sure we keep that out of the way. And we're going to take our rubber boot going around, and we're pushing our fingers in and around that in the center, making sure that's seated properly, and just making sure that this is properly seated all the way around. And we're taking our wiring harness and firmly pushing that back on there. On to the next side. So one of the things I do recommend when you're replacing a headlight bulb, it's always good to replace the other headlight bulb because it's bound to go shortly after the first one anyhow. Same thing, only a little bit tighter spot on the driver's side here. We're going to remove the wiring harness and off with our rubber boot. There we are, off to the side so it's clean. And again, we're pushing down on the wiring tab, pushing it back and out of the way, and drawing the bulb out. So this bulb was actually still good. I am just going to set it back in the box as a just-in-case bulb. New bulb with the tab up, carefully fitting it in here, bringing our wire tab across. Very hard to show you this with the camera. And snapping that down. And again with our rubber, make sure we're seated nicely down over top of the new headlight and all the way around the outside of the boot. On with our wiring harness, and we're all set. And we're gonna fire up the vehicle and make sure that light bulb works, and that job is done. Thanks very much for coming by the channel today. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and comment down below, and don't forget to hit the notifications so you don't miss out on any of the upcoming videos. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.